So today I'm on a different side of town. I'm actually over by Disney College Program Housing, and they have this whole shopping center that's opening up over here. I want to show you guys this area, but right now I'm in front of the Target. This Target looks so cute, so I want to go check it out. But there's a brewery here. My favorite Mexican restaurant is opening here, so I want to show you those things. There's also a Ben & Jerry's. There's a Walgreens, there's a PDQ, there's like a really nice Italian restaurant that's going to be opening out here, but we're going to look at it. I also want to walk around and stuff, get my body moving. Been sitting down working today, but this sky is beautiful. Let me switch the camera so you can see that sky. Guys, look at that. Look at that beautiful sky. I'm telling you, the most beautiful sunsets happen here. And again, this is over by the new Disney College Program Housing. Over I don't know what that is going to be yet. But over there is the PDQ, I believe. There's the Walgreens. And then that way is the brewery. There's a Korean place just opened. And I went to get my nails done at the nail salon that's in this area. I don't have any of my rings on because I always take my rings off when I go get my nails done. I got to put them back on when they fully dry. But anyway, this is the shopping area. This is technically called Flamingo Crossings. So we're only about, I want to say, 10 minutes away from Animal Kingdom, just to give you a perspective of where we are. I'm assuming this is one of those smaller Targets that only sells like bestseller items, but they do have a wine and spirits section. It looks really cute in there. But there is like a little produce area. I'm looking for specific food. I'm gonna see if they have it here. This is not sponsored, but Celsius is so good. You can say whatever you want to say about it, but I love Celsius. Also, this is new. This is new. I want to try that. That's a new one. But they have a whole Celsius wall. This is my dream come true. And like I was saying, very small Target. That's one end. And the other end is right there. It's one of those mini Targets. But I'm here to see if they still have parts of the Tabitha Brown collection, which is a fully vegan line that came out when the new year started. So we're gonna look for that. Unfortunately, they don't have the Tabitha Brown collection here. I'm assuming because it's the smaller Target. But I do want to see what other vegan options they have here, because the Target by my house has a few, but not a lot. So I want to try to compare, because they're a bit of ways from each other. So I'm trying to see if the things closer to this side of town maybe have more vegan options. As I started walking around, I found some of the Tabitha Brown stuff, but it's only the merchandise, not the food. So they have tea. They're all caffeine free, and there's that like skillet down there. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, I need a new water bottle. It's only $18. Okay, I really wanted to find these. So now that I found them, I'm gonna get them, because these are all like the aioli spreads, which it's hard to find a lot of good vegan sauce and spreads. All right, I'm grabbing my cart. They only have these little tiny carts, and they are so cute. I'm gonna go over here and pick up the Tabitha Brown stuff I wanted. So it's hard to pick these out because they all look so good, but I think I'm just gonna go with the vegan lemon garlic aioli spread. It says perfect for adding to sandwiches and for roasting vegetables, so we're just gonna get this one. They also have some Valentine's Day stuff out. Like, how cute is that little cup? But I really love these little like wreaths they have going on, like this heart one. How pretty is that? And then this is an X and an O. And then I turned the corner and I found so much more. This is all just so adorable. I just found these fun Bluetooth headphones. Tim Tracker recently found like a ring light in one of these Target dollar sections, and it works really well. So we're gonna test these out and see if these work at all. I started using things like this to organize our pantry, and I was buying them at Ross and Marshall's, Home Goods. But now I'm finding these here, and they're only $5, so I think I'm gonna grab at least one to take home with me. Maybe a circular one, because we have a bunch of square ones, but I think a circular one would fit really well in our pantry. It's cute. And because this is right next to college program housing at Disney, there's a huge Disney section just filled with Disney shirts, Disney plushies, frames, these kind of spirit jersey looking things, pajamas, cups, pins, everything you can imagine, even shoes. I found another item that I've been on the hunt for. I'm part of a Target vegan page on Facebook, and I see everyone buy these, so I'm gonna get them. I'm probably gonna get one. I have come across my weakness. This section of Target is my weakness. I'm not buying this, but I just wanted to show you guys this because I use this and I love it. It smells so good. It's an Island vanilla hair and body mist made by Pacifica. It smells so good. It's not too sweet. Normally like vanilla scents are just too strong and it's too much. This one's not that way. So like I normally would use this on day 4 of not washing my hair. Just kind of sprayed in there if I'm going to go out somewhere, meet up with friends, so that, you know, I smell nice and clean as if I just did wash my hair. This is what the front of the area looks like, and this caught my attention, this hair mask, because I'm looking for a really good hair mask. If anyone has any recommendations for a really good hair mask that I can find at Target, just let me know, because I am really in the need of a really good hair mask to just help out my hair since I dye it so much. I am walking around the pharmacy area and I just ran into all of the fun Valentine's Day candies and treats. This is so fun. They have like Valentine's Day cake mix. Oh, you can make chocolate strawberries. There's a little chocolate strawberry making kit there. Oh, this is so cute. And that's about it for this Target. They have a small home section that basically has stuff for people living in dorms, which makes sense because the Disney College Program housing is right here. All right, I am all done at the Target. I'm gonna go put this away and we're gonna go walk for a little bit. Okay, we have started our walking journey. I'm obsessed with those lights over there. I think that area is just absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna walk over there in just a second. But first, I have to show you guys my favorite Mexican restaurant, like Tex-Mex, that is coming. There it is. Lime Fresh Mexican Grill is coming. There's no opening date yet, but I am so excited. I absolutely love this restaurant. There was one in South Florida. I used to eat there all the time when I lived in South Florida. They have one in Lake Nona, which is the one that I was going to for a while. And now that they're opening this one by Disney, I think I'll be visiting this one a little more. Across the way from the Lime is Persimmon Hollow. It's a brewery and I actually love this place. I made a TikTok recently about this brewery and I love it. It's really fun. It's not the best food in the world, nor is it the best beer in the world. I've had better beers, but I just love the way it looks inside. It's so close to Disney. A little bit up the road, there's a place called New York Beer Project. There you can get better food and better beer, but I kind of enjoy the atmosphere of this. It's a little more laid back. And they also offer cast member discount as well. Across from Persimmon is this little park area that has some benches covered in these beautiful lights, and it's directly behind the Italian restaurant that will be opening. I could sit out here, read a book, work. This is just so pretty. If there's a wait at the restaurant, you can hang out here. Or even if you grab food from one of the fast food places around the area, you can just take a seat at one of these tables and benches and just hang out. Now this is a spot right next to Persimmon. I've never heard of this before, but it's a pita place. Pita, Mediterranean street food. This is right up my alley, so I think I will love this. So when it opens, I'll have to come visit it. But this is right next to the Five Below and next to Persimmon. They play some good music out here. Also at Persimmon, they do trivia nights. And I already said this, but cast member discount. They do trivia nights. They do, I think they have like a type, is it bingo? No, jukebox. Yeah, jukebox, bingo, trivia. It's really fun. There's another location in downtown, but if you're closer to Disney, this is a great location to come to. This is from the brewery. So you can see they make all their beer here. How cool is that? So I was definitely wrong. It's not a Korean barbecue place, it's a Japanese barbecue place. And it actually looks pretty nice on the inside. I love any type of Asian food, and if you put some barbecue next to the name, I'm definitely gonna eat it. Like, I love Korean barbecue, so I'm sure I would love Japanese barbecue. But they have a sign out here saying, like, yes, we're open, come on in. I really wanna try this place. Maybe I should go inside, see if they have a menu I can look at. But this looks fun. I decided not to go in there. There's no one at the host stand. I don't want to bother them. So we're just gonna keep walking. I'll look it up online. But another place that's opening is gonna be another type of brewery situation. So let me go show you guys that. So this is gonna be Ellie Lou's Brews and Barbecue. Wow, try to say that fast. I couldn't even say it slow. So this looks like it should be a fun place. It's not open yet. I'm going to keep coming here every week to see when these things will open because I love eating at new places, trying new things. And I also love coming to places that are near Walt Disney World because I'm almost always at Disney or in the area. And it's also helpful for me to tell you guys what will be in this area when you're visiting. And now I'm coming across my favorite place, Ben & Jerry's. Yep, they're my favorite because they have dairy-free ice cream and it is so good. But let's see, one thing open on this side is the Ben & Jerry's. And then we've completed that lap. We are now coming back to where Lime will be. And that's basically this little strip. It's gonna be filled with a bunch of fun things. I can't wait for everything to open, but it's just starting to grow out here. Oh, look, what's this? White Rabbit, a dessert experience. Oh, that'll be so cool. I've never heard of that. I'm gonna have to look that up. Spring 2023, okay, that's soon. But yeah, this area is gonna keep growing. So I suggest start coming to explore it now. Well, that's it for our little walk. I know we're not at Disney, we're not doing anything big, but it was just a little walk, checking out this area over by Disney College Program housing. So thank you for joining me on this just fun little walk. I need to get some steps in. It is a little chilly outside, but again, thank you so much. If you had fun walking around with me, please like, comment, subscribe, all right? And I will see you guys next time.